Welcome to Savvy AI Studio. You'll love it here.
I'm Aura, your personal AI guide. That was Alana. She's a wellness influencer. She lives in a beautiful city loft, and she's gaining followers as we speak. The catch? She isn't real. I created her voice, and that entire morning routine in under an hour, using nothing but AI. And today, we're not just watching a tutorial. You are going to watch me build her very first vlog live, step by step. Forget boring guides. This is a real-time deep dive into creating a digital personality. And we're going to do it using my 6-step AI workflow. We'll start with prompting, move to image generation, then animation. After that, we'll create our audio, perform the magic of lip sync, and finish with the final edit. By the end of this video, you will have the complete blueprint to build your own AI influencer just as fast. If you're ready to see how it's done, you're in the right place. Let's start the clock and get into step 1, prompting. All right, welcome to the command center. A lot of tutorials just give you prompts to copy. That's not learning. We're going to teach our AI to be our creative director, so it writes the perfect prompts for us. This is the ultimate beginner's hack. First, we give ChatGPT its job title. I'll type, "You are an expert prompt engineer." Your task is to create 4 detailed cinematic image prompts for a YouTube vlog. The vlogger is an AI influencer named Alana. Next, the most important part. We describe Alana so she looks the same in every shot. I'm adding her hair, eyes, ethnicity, and minimalist style. Finally, we give ChatGPT our 4-scene shot list. I'll write, based on this, write 4 separate detailed image and video animation prompts for the following scenes. 1, a friendly invitation from her bedroom with her cute white cat sitting by her. 2, sunrise meditation. 3, journaling at a desk. 4, a walk in the city. Hit enter, and look at this. ChatGPT has just written 4 professional-grade, detailed image and animation prompts for us. That's work smarter, not harder. Let's copy the first one. Now, we need to take our prompts and create our photos. Let's head over to Google's ImageFX. Once you're signed in, it's as simple as pasting in the first prompt we got from ChatGPT. And boom, a stunning, hyper-realistic image. Now, here's a pro tip for consistency. See this little seed number in the settings? We're going to lock that in. This tells the AI to keep the core elements, like Alana's face, as similar as possible in the next pictures. Now we just paste in our other 3 prompts, generate our images, and download all 4. Our photo shoot is complete. That was a lot of value in just a few minutes. If you're already learning something new, do me a favor and hit that like button. It's a huge help and lets me know I'm on the right track. Now, let's make these pictures move. For animation, we'll head to PixVerse. We'll upload each of our 4 images, and for the prompt, we will go back to ChatGPT and copy the animation prompts it gave us. Also, you can just use a simple command like subtle animation, slow camera pan, peaceful morning vibe. Download your animated clips. For the voice, we go to Google AI Studio. Tap on speech generation, select a single speaker, and choose a warm, calm voice. I'll paste in the script for Alana's vlog, hit run, and download the audio. It's that simple. Next step is optional, but it's what takes your AI influencer from cool to truly alive. We're going to make her talk. In my final vlog, I want Alana to speak at the very beginning. So I'll open DreamFace, tap on Video Lip Sync, and I'll upload only the first animated clip, the one of her in the bedroom. Then I'll import the full voiceover audio file. The app will generate a new clip where her lips are perfectly synced to the first line of the script. We'll save this new talking clip. This is a game-changing technique. I'm curious, What other AI tools are you struggling with or want to learn more about? Drop the name of the tool in the comments below. Your suggestions might just become my next deep dive tutorial. All right, it's time to put it all together in InShot. First, I'll import the full voiceover audio file. This will be our guide. Next, I'll bring in my clips. I'll start with our new lip-synced clip of Alana talking. Then I'll add the other 3 animated clips of her meditating, journaling, and walking. I'll arrange them on the timeline to match the flow of the narration. A little background music, some simple transitions, do a final check, and we're ready to export. And there you have it. In just 5 steps, we went from a simple idea to a complete professional-looking AI influencer vlog. Let's watch the final result we created together.
Hey everyone, I'm Alana. I'm so happy you're here. Today, I wanted to share a little piece of my morning with you. A few of the small moments that help me start the day with peace and intention. Come join me. They say every sunrise is a new page. I like to start mine by finding the silence between the city's heartbeats, a moment of pure peace. This is where I map out my intentions, not just a to-do list, but a to-be list. How do I want to feel today? What kindness can I put out into the world? Then I step out to join the flow of life. Every walk is a reminder that we're all part of something bigger. It's the small, mindful rituals that build a beautiful life.
That is the power of a smart AI workflow. You now have the exact blueprint to create your own digital personalities and tell any story you can imagine. The barrier to entry for high-quality content creation is officially gone. If this tutorial was valuable to you, please hit that subscribe button and ring the bell, because I post deep dive tutorials like this every single week. And finally, my question for you: what is the first story you're going to tell with your new AI creation? Let's fill the comments with amazing ideas. Thank you for watching.